It's 2025 and I have been asking myself, how can I use AI in finance? What are the top-rated apps for personal finance? How can you learn to evaluate and justify your spending using objective standards? Unlike most videos about personal finance, this one is different because it's not only about numbers or apps, it's about rebuilding my internal confidence and very important year on my life. In a few moments, you will know the 3 categories of personal spending. I will share with you my personal finance app that I'm using in my phone, and I will show you how I have integrated artificial intelligence into my personal finance. At the start of 2025, I found myself in a key moment. I love planning, learning, and I'm highly organized. I thought I have everything under my control, but I faced a surprising challenge. A gap on my knowledge left me feeling unprepared to manage my finance effectively. I didn't understand the different types of expenses. I didn't realize that my spending could be divided into 3 categories. Here's the thing, I'm getting married to my amazing fiancée later this year. This is considered to be one of the happiest moments in my life. But instead of feeling purely happy, I found myself facing internal conflicts. What if I managed our finance poorly? What if my plans didn't work? I kept questioning myself, wondering if I was truly capable of achieving financial stability. It didn't take long for me to realize that when it comes to managing our money, it helps to know where it's all going. First, we have to cover our bills. These essential monthly payments, like rent or our phone bills, are important spending to keep things running. Then, we need to take care of our needs, like groceries and clothing. After that, we have our wants, which are the fun extras, like eating out or decorating our home. It's really important to understand the difference because it helps us decide how to spend our money wisely. To help with all this, I have been using a personal finance app called Wallets by Budget Bakers, which is available on Android and iOS. You can find the links in the description below. Just so you know, I'm not an affiliate. I just want to share it with you to assist you with your personal finance. So this app lets you easily track your spending and your income as well. Track your cash flow and balance, categorize your transactions, and see visual reports of your spending. Plus, it has optional cloud sync with Google Drive. Also, it has very simple and clean interface. On top of that, you can use a tool like ChatGPT to help you even more. I send every transaction to ChatGPT as they occur, such as purchases, bills, and saving as well. ChatGPT can create personalized budgets, analyze your spending to see where you might be overspending. It can break down big goals into smaller steps and suggest ways to pay off debts. Also, ChatGPT categorize all your spending and give you a summary of your spending habits to make it easier to adjust your spending plans. ChatGPT is free and accessible on your phones and your desktop as well. To help you get started, I will include a prompt in the video description that you can use to take full advantage of these financial capabilities. The best part, it wasn't just about the app or the knowledge. It was about the commitment I made to follow my plans. Slowly, but surely I started to feel a shift. My fear of failure turned into confidence. Now, just months away from my wedding, I can see the result of my efforts. My savings are growing steadily, and I finally feel in control of my financial future. So if you are wondering, how can I use AI in finance? It's not just about having the right tools. It's about staying committed to your goals.